Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. In this particular video, we are going to talk about a notice for MCC. After so many days, candidates who are interested for All India Counseling and deemed counseling, they have a notice. The notice says those candidates who have joined the allotted college. Join allotted college means you have paid a partial fee or the complete fee, and then if you have made the changes in decision to resign from the joint seat, then you have option to do that. You can resign from the joint seat, and this can be done from 22nd of April 11 a.m. time in the morning, that is Wednesday, and you have time up to 5 p.m. of 4th of May, that is Monday. So between this time duration you can you have the option to resign from the joint college if you don't like to join due to any factor. Okay, such candidate will have to send the information to the allotted college by email or report physically requesting for their resignation. So the process of resignation from particular allotted seat is to send a mail. You can find the mail over the website of the college. You can directly send a mail, or if the college is very near to your put up, you can physically go ahead and can talk to them for resignation to the respective college. Okay, and they will resign, and the seat so that seat will be available for further rounds for other candidates, and we are still able to go for round 2. So it clearly says such candidate will have to send information to the allotted college by email or report physically requesting for their resignation, and the respective college will resign the seat online on interim website within stipulated time, and this seat will come back in the system for allotment in round 2. So you can again you made the change in your decision and you want to go back to the same seat, still that seat is available for you. You can choose the seat in round 2, and based on the counseling it might get or it might not get allotted to you. So we will keep updating further notice about state and MCC when we get. Until then, take care, goodbye.